Welcome to Smarty. Today we are gonna see the best video editing software through our smartphone. It's Viva Video. And we see how to use this software in this video. In this software, can make photos into videos or videos into movies. Choose edit option for editing and select image or video that needs to be edited. We can able to crop the video at the beginning and can add multiple video into a single one. Here we have pre-installed themes are already been in the system. If you are not satisfied, we can able to download many themes through Viva Video Store. Also in the music tab you can download any song you wish or select the song that are already in your dot and you can delete the audio that you not like. And the last tab will be the edit option, and this will be the important one in this segment. First is clip edit. Here we can able to trim the video or split the video into two video and you can able increase or decrease the speed of the video. Also you can mute the video as per the user wish. And the next one will be the text option. You can add text that you wanted with your own style and how long the text have to play in your video. Next is filter. We all know about this. Then sticker is same as text. Select the sticker and can play it how long you need. Next is effects. We have many effects preloaded to our system and select the one you needed. Multi-music option is the one where we can add multiple music to a different parts of a video. Transition option will play a major role in video editing business. We can add transition effect from one pic to other or one video to other. You can preview your movie at the last and then click share button to complete the process. Select export to gallery button and select 720p option to export the video to your gallery. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.